Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Jamaica added another medal to its tally at the IAAF World Under-18 Championships in Nairobi, Kenya, while 4 athletes moved into the final of their respective events on the second day of action.
When Jamaica's team departed to the World Under-18 Championships, team captain Kevona Davis was seen as a gold medal prospect in the girls' 100 meters. But a bronze was all the 15-year-old got as her hamstring gave way to Turkey's Mezgin Ai in the final moments of a close race.
Of Turkey, it's I who leads. Can Davis get through, or will Stefanovic pip? It's a blanket. At the finish, Stefanovic thinks she's won it. She was up there with Kevona Davis and Mizgin Ai. What a tremendous race that was.
Davis, who had her right hamstring bandaged throughout the meet, took bronze in 11.67 seconds. Jamaica could have added another medal in the boys' long jump through Wayne Pinnock after he posted a career best of 7.27 meters on his opening jump, but the Kingston College athlete faded into 6th spot. Jamaica, however, saw 6 athletes making progress to the next round of their respective events. The most impressive of the 6 was undoubtedly Dejour Russell, who powered to a championship record 13.08 seconds in the boys' 110-meter hurdles.
Wim's going well, but this is composed stuff from Russell. He's pulled clear of the field. It's a convincing win in the first heat from Russell of Jamaica, and the Bahamian Denvaughan Wims coming in second place.
The time better that of fellow Jamaican Jaheel Hyde, which stood at 13.13 seconds. Russell was joined in the semi-final round by Brighton Sr., who ended 4th in his heat with 13.83 seconds. Jamaica barely got a foot in the final of the girls' 400 meters as Shaquina Foot secured the 8th qualifying spot to the final after finishing 4th in semi-final 2 with a time of 55.21 seconds. In the meantime, the country will have 2 shots at medals in the boys' equivalent as Anthony Cox continued his strong showing with another sub-47 seconds clocking. He posted the fastest time of 46.86 seconds heading into the final. Antonio Watson also advanced after finishing 2nd in his semi-final with 47.05 seconds, the 3rd fastest heading into the championships, and a career best equaling. Sanique Walker with 58.74 seconds also progressed to the final of the girls' 400-meter hurdles, winning her heat and posting the round's fastest time. In the boys' event, Ravane Williams produced a personal best of 51.94 seconds in winning his heat. In the meantime, the big disappointment for Jamaica came in the girls' 800-meter heat as Seymour Donald failed to finish. So at the end of the second day of competition, Jamaica has won 2 medals with 4 finalists and a further 2 through to the semi-final stage of their respective events.